Yo, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Say hello to the Volvo EX30 Ultra Twin Motor Performance. Yes, I know the full name is a handful, but so is this car. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know from the exterior, interior, how it drives, and everything in between. Let's lock in.
So fresh, so clean. Big dreams, man, what you mean?
It's smoke.
So fresh, so clean. Said I'm with a Peng Ting. Big dreams, man, what you mean? That's the reason that I need mostly.
This car looks like nothing else on the road, and I'm going to say it with my chest. This is currently the best looking electric car on the market because wow. Volvo knows how to make a minimalistic design look premium. The whole car just looks smooth and perfect. Up front, we get the Thor-like LED lighting signature, which now is pixelated and looks very modern. A closed-off front grille because this is an electric car, and you see this vapor gray finish. It gives this compact SUV an elegant yet sporty vibe. Plus, these 20-inch aero alloy wheels add an extra layer of flair. They look very nice. The taillights look interesting, Volvo badging in the rear, a small boot spoiler, and EX30 badging on the side. The amount of people that were amazed by this car's looks is crazy, and I don't blame anyone. It looks so futuristic and sophisticated. The inside is very beautiful and basically empty. You get no buttons whatsoever. They took minimalistic to a whole new level. It's an eco-friendly yet luxurious cabin. The indigo interior made from sustainable materials like textile and Nordico upholstery wraps you in comfort. I cannot begin to explain how comfortable it is. There's ambient lighting for cozy night drives, and out of this world Harman Kardon sound bar, storage underneath here, and an armrest with cup holders. Wireless charging, Type-C charging ports, and where the rear passengers open the windows. There's cool little door handles and a gigantic panoramic glass sunroof. You're probably wondering, where's the speedometer? Well, there isn't one. You'll see the speed on the 12.3-inch infotainment screen. That brings me to the tech because every car function you can think of is inside this infotainment screen. I don't know how to feel about that, but I'm just glad everything is functional. Just check how responsive and crisp the screen is. Google Assistant can help you navigate through this infotainment screen, but let's get hands-on. There's heated seats and heated steering wheel. Very nice, big bonus. You want to open the glove box? It's on the screen. You want to change your side mirrors? It's on the screen. You want to adjust your seat, you push the button on the seat, select what you want to adjust on the screen, then move the button on the seat accordingly. You want to adjust your lights? It's on the screen. You can also pick a theme for some ambiance. Because this is a Volvo, you already know safety is on a whole different level. It has safe space technology, which includes radar sensors everywhere. There's a 360-degree camera, park pilot assist. It tells you how close you are to an object in centimeters. If you're about to open the door and there's a car passing by, it will alert you. There's also your standard lane keep assist, steering assist, which is not intrusive at all. It's very gentle, and I like this because I've experienced some very intrusive lane keep assists. There's blind spot monitoring. This car watches out for you, your passengers, and even pedestrians. I actually fell in love with the cabin and got used to all the functions. Pretty neat. fully electric, so no engine. But here's where the EX30 truly shines. It's powered by twin electric motors that deliver 315 kilowatts and 543 Newton meters of torque, rocketing from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 3.6 seconds. Yep. 3.6 seconds. For context, an A45S has 310 kilowatts, 500 Newton meters of torque, and does 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds. Do what you want with that information. I'm just a messenger. The car drives like an absolute sports car without the hard suspension. It can change from the perfect daily to a track car in seconds. Acceleration is instant, steering is precise, and it gives you all the confidence you would ever need. It handles like a dream. Absolutely amazing. I was very impressed with the driving dynamics. The 64 kilowatt hour battery will give you up to 460 kilometers of range, and charging it takes about 30 to 40 minutes from 20%. I was not a fan of how the key has no lock or unlock function. To lock or unlock the car, you place the key here or you walk away from the car, and you have to walk away pretty far for it to lock. This is South Africa. By the time you are this far, two paras have already taken your laptop and whatever belongings are in the car. Oh, I forgot to mention there's an electric tailgate and the boot capacity is 318 liters. The battery comes with an 8-year, 160,000 kilometer warranty, and the car is sold with a 5-year, 100,000 kilometer vehicle warranty and a 5-year, 100,000 kilometer full maintenance plan. You can get a single motor Volvo EX30 for 791,000, but this top of the range ultra twin motor performance will cost you 1,055,900. If you finance that for 72 months at an interest rate of 13%, you can expect to pay a monthly installment of 21,196. No petrol, so you'll probably be paying about 500 rand to charge it. Okay, so what's my verdict? Did Volvo cook? Are they cooking, or are they cooked? I think they absolutely cooked here. This car is insanely cool looking. It's a rocket when it comes to acceleration and driving dynamics, and trust, you leave any A45 or whoever dares to go against you in dust. The future is looking good, and Volvo has always been way ahead of the game. For 1 million rand, you are getting an eco-conscious compact SUV packed with luxury, power, and groundbreaking technology. This is proof that good things can come in small packages. But look, that's it from me. Thank you for watching, and let's go! We are on the road to 5K subscribers. So please, 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 please like, say hello in the comments, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the electric future. Till next time, peace.
So fresh, so clean. Said I'm Morasi with a Peng Ting. Big dreams, man, what you mean? That's the reason that I need mostly. Overseas trips, I'm a big fish. I know right away, man, I'm in a fit. Long road to freedom, get the visits at my D, but my dreams, deep body so deep.